Hello my beautiful gorgeous friends, I hope you're doing really well. Welcome back to another video in this YouTube channel. This video, it's something that I just received right now, and I've ordered the drone Parrot Bebop 2 drone, and I have been thinking about buying a drone for quite some time because myself and Shamit, my husband, we are traveling to somewhere. I'm going to give you one hint, somewhere in Asia, and we are planning to do some footage in our traveling. I'm not going to tell you where we go. I'm going to keep this as a surprise. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel to actually get notification about the upcoming travel vlogs. But this video is about unwrapping the drone that I just received. So here I have the I'm going to show it in a bit. So I've got the battery, and I've got the fly pad, and of course I've got the Parrot Bebop 2, which is the compact HD video drone. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this camera and I'm going to show you what I've got and unwrapping the boxes with me.
Why you trying to pose like I be acting shady? You're supposed to be about baby. Girl, free up your vibe and stop acting crazy. Shut up, Paula, give it a good loving daily. Now you're trying to pose like I be acting shady.
You say you love me, but you're never there for me. Yeah. You'll be crying, slowly dying when I decide to leave. All we do is make up, then break up. Why don't we wake up and see? When love hurts, it won't work. Maybe we need some time alone. We need to let it breathe.
So what's that supposed to be about?
I've just unwrapped the drone and I have no clue how it works. I think I'm the worst person ever when it comes into technology. I've got no clue whatsoever. But I did some research and I know that it has about 20 minutes flight mode, and I know that it's got quite good footage. So this drone, it's compatible with it's compatible. So Shamit's outside, so it didn't come inside because I'm filming. But this drone is compatible with this camera, so it's going to have a very good quality when it comes into the footage, which is something I was looking after. And it says here that it's wind resistance. It also says that it has 25 minutes of flying time. It has 700 battery. It weighs only 500 grams, so that's really good. So when we're going to go traveling, it's going to be easy to take it with us. And it has this to control it, so all I'm going to do now is trying to find a way to make it work. And I know there is a process that you have to follow in order before you start flying it. And another tip that I've been looking into is that you need to make sure that the countries you're going to fly your drone, it's you follow the regulations. So for example, I know in Cyprus, which is one of the countries I'm going to be visiting now, I'm going back home, is that in Cyprus I will have to register the drone online before I fly it. And so you need to make sure in your country that you do comply with those regulations. Yes, so I'm super duper excited with the drone. I'm going to try to see how, I think I'm going to have to charge it for about 2 hours. I think that's the case. And I will stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel to actually watch the upcoming travel vlogs with some brilliant footage. I do hope it's going to be brilliant footage with the drone. I'm going to leave you now. Have a wonderful day, night, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you very soon. Love you. Bye.